I'm nowhere near drunk.
Later that same evening.
1, 2. Why do they call it vodka?
Don't know.
Someone was named vodka and they just tried. Curse my alcohol tolerance. Freddie, why? Okay, wait, I think I need to say that this drink is lemonade mixed with... What did I put in here? Help me! I need to put her over here. Please don't trip. Trip? Drip? Whatever. So let's put on makeup. Pick a color, any color. That's what I'll put on my eyes. Okay. Okay. So the first thing that we're gonna put on our face is primer. And I have no primer left. Just the just the sad shell that used to be a man, just like my brother. Gonna put it under the eye. Hashtag Fenty Beauty. Okay, primer is on. And now the next step is to put some foundation.
Only 499.957.
You're asking me while I'm drunk?
I don't know.
That sucked. I tried. I really tried. $4.99 times 50. That would be... What would that be? You know, if I wasn't drunk, I would answer you right away.
What the hell is on your
Let's
face?
draw. Okay. Now that I have white stuff all over my face.
Nice.
What?
Nice.
Whatever. Now that I have my BB cream all over my face. Yeah, it's BB cream. Like BBA. Some people might be asking, why the fuck is she using her hands? I say, I use my hands because your girlfriend likes me to. Edit that out, Ali. I'm using my hands because I don't have a... What do you call that? Beauty blender? I don't have any of that. I do, but looks like this. Ugh. Now that we have our BB cream on our face, next is to put some... What do you put after BB cream? If you don't have me, I'm gonna put makeup on you. Oh, daddy. Okay, now next we're gonna put some concealer. This is from Miniso. Why did I say it like that? Miniso. And it's made in China, so coronavirus.
You shouldn't say that on YouTube, by the way.
Oh shit, hashtag we love Miniso. Why can't I say
I
it?
don't know. People can't say it. Nobody else can say it.
Hashtag 2020 is the best year, people. Now I need to blend it.
Your mom? Wait, no.
We have the same mom. Okay, so now the next step is to put... I'm sorry. People are gonna get mad. Oh wait, I have a puff here. Wow, that's attractive. Now I'm gonna blend her. I'm gonna blend her. That's not how you blend. I'm gonna blendy. Rub in your eyes. Put it over your eyes. Put it on your brothers. Put it here. I love the feeling of getting massaged under your eyes. Next, we are going to put powder on our faces. We are going to get some powder from... Why am I talking like that? I don't have baking powder, so we're just gonna plop some normal powder on the areas that I conceal. Rub. Okay. And then we're gonna plop. Boy, I look like the ghost from Elm Street, man. Elmo Street? Beautiful. Okay, this is gray, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put her over our brows. This is not brows. That's not a brow. Beautiful. I'm gonna really try here. Try to make it beautiful. No! There's a line. Here's that autograph for your daughter. I wrote it on a static cap. Stand, son, listen, man, there isn't man, but how you gonna name yourself after a damn gun and have a man bun? Like, how you gonna do that shit when you have a man bun? Gonna bitch you ain't a bow and arrow, so you don't spray lead. Why do I do this to myself? Point of reference, I'm posting this video because I submitted my homework. Yay! I'm gonna put some darkness into the eyeshadow, just like my life.
Hot cake, after hot cake.
Mama, are you serious?
Come on.
Oh no! This is bad! No, don't leave me! No!
Up here.
Get out of here!
How many?
Now I'm pissed off. Sit back, homie, relax. In fact, grab a six pack. Yeah, Jay, six pack. Okay. I hate everything that I'm doing right now. I'm gonna regret this later. For point of reference, it's 4. What time is it? It's almost 4. It's too early, but it's quarantine time, man. Who cares, to be honest? Okay. Now we put. Ooh, this eye shimmer. Does that look nice? Well, how am I gonna do mascara? So, if I remember correctly, after putting your eyeshadow, you put some mascara. No, wait, you don't put mascara. You put some. What? I'm gonna put some eyeliner all over our eyes. This is a challenge. How do I live without you? I want to know. Breathe without you. If you ever go, how do I ever survive? That's fine, right? That's attractive. Right? Oh god. I can't. Oh. I'm kind of tipsy. I'm not drunk. That this is not the same length as this guy. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna extend her. Why am I talking like that? Lightweight. Right after that is the time to put some mascara. Mascara? No, that's different. Yo soy no entiendo inglés. Gracias, señor. Yo quiero una sangre? What? Sangria? Put some mascara. Let me zoom in. Let me get in there. Hi. Some people think that this device, this eyelash curler, is the devil's work. And honestly, I can't agree more. Now we're gonna put mascara. I forgot, I haven't mentioned the products I'm using. But this mascara is Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. Oh, it's Maybelline, sorry. Mascara down. We're gonna squishy. This is my squishy and I should call it my squishy. And nobody's gonna take my squishy away from me, you hear me? I just realized. Can we talk on a different topic, like for real? See?
You look the same, but it's like,
What?
it's like your eyes gotten darker.
Your life got darker. You guys watch the Vikings?
No.
Cause I'm not asking you. I'm talking to myself. Do you know who plays Ivor? Ivor? He's really cute. Like, I know he's older, but that don't bother me. I'll slap your face.
When I'm sleeping.
No, I'll slap your face. Why am I looking at the camera like it's a fucking... No, the mascara went on my face. How cute am I, you know? Okay, now we're gonna put some powder on my... What do you call this? The waterline? To just look more like a absolute mistake. Okay, so we're gonna slash. I'm trying here, okay? I'm not that drunk. Slash and then pull back. If I end up looking like the Wicked Witch from The Wizard of Oz, it's not my fault. It's Dylan's fault. Dylan. You know what would be a video? Me doing my makeup like this and going out. Oh, but wait! We're in quarantino.
Stop.
What?
You might have to edit.
Edit what? Was that not a good...
Say the...
I said quarantino. I didn't say anything about the C word. Like the actor. Quentin Quarantino. Yo, how do people do this? So now I'm gonna put blush. Okay, I'm gonna put blush. And why do people put blush on? Senpai. Senpai. Can you send some pie, Senpai?
Disgusting.
Okay, last, we're gonna put some Vaseline. So wait, let me try to be civil. We have this clay brush. Where is the can? There it is. It looks dirty, just like your tidy whities. I'm not gonna say your mom. Okay, finalmente, we're gonna put some lippy. Now, Dylan, can you get me lipstick? I look like a mess, Dylan. Can you get me tissue? Please. Sacred. Oh, fuck!
Sorry. I thought you were a cat.
He thought wrong. Well, I'm not finished with my drink. This video isn't finished until I drink it. Ali is going to rub some highlighter on her cheeks. This highlights all your features, while the contour deletes all your mistakes. So let's try and do that with my brother.
Why?
He's already here, people.
Edit me out.
We don't have a choice. Do I sound okay? Ready?
Yeah. Enter the...
So I know I'm showing you just now, but we're... Owie! Oh, stupid. Okay, we're gonna get some highlighter from my Sephora. Yeah, I don't care what any of you I'll say. I look absolutely bomb, okay? Even your girlfriend will want some of this. So, like, listen, my eyebrows look like they're a bunch of worms on their face, on my face. Since I don't have any more beauty amplifier. And we're gonna put powder on our face. Because that's another way to set your face. People often ask, what does it mean? Oh, shit. What does it mean when you set your face? It basically means where you set your face up for failure. So, there you go. Why did I do this video? Nobody knows. Maybe it's because, you know, women deserve to feel beautiful no matter what. You know? That was me doing my makeup. Not drunk. I'm not drunk. You know what? I think I look beautiful. Everyone's beautiful. And you spread positivity during these trying times. I have one last parting message. Stop it!
Oh, we go. It's getting squished.
One parting message, and that is to watch Vikings during these quarantine times. Should I not say that?